Hey guys, do you know how voice and video call works? Voice over Internet Protocol is one of the most popular standard for voice and video calling over the web. We all use voice and video on the various platforms like WhatsApp, Skype, Messenger, Facebook, etc. Basically, both voice and video call depend on how we stream media between the two silent which are connected to each other. So there must be something that you can do the works of media streaming from one silent to another silent. For media streaming, we need to know about the WebRTC. WebRTC is a free and open project that provides browsers and mobile applications with real-time communication (RTC) capabilities via simple APIs. The WebRTC components have been optimized to best serve this purpose. But there are many other things which we need to do as WebRTC is not enough for complete other thing are signaling, STUN server, turn server. Signaling. What is signaling? In order to set up a call between two silent, both the silent must confirm to each other by sending key data, messenger, metadata about the media. Over signal, we do this thing. We can use the WEB socket for the purpose of signaling. It is the just used to know this to silent want to connect to each other for the call. Peer-to-peer connection. After signaling, we need to connect both the silent peer-to-peer, and for connecting, we must have the public IP address of both silent. So, in order to get the public IP address, we use STUN server. STUN server? What is STUN server? STUN server is used to get the public IP address. Why need public IP address? A public IP address is an IP address that is globally unique across the internet. Only one device may be in possession of a public IP address. A private IP address is an IP address that is not globally unique and may exist on many different devices. A private IP address is never directly connected to the internet. Devices that propose a private IP address will be in their own unique IP address, as that provides the local IP address of the device which cannot be used publicly to connect peer to peer. And for WebRTC, we need to have the public IP address. STUN server provides that. If everything is fine, we get the public IP address of both the silent and then we connect both the silent through the WebRTC to start the call. WebRTC handles all media streaming. The real world connectivity is not ideal. In case we are not able to get the public IP address of both silent, then we cannot connect peer to peer. In that case, we need to turn server. What is turn server? Turn server is used to connect both the silent if peer to peer fails by acting as a mediator. Basically, it takes the data from the silent and sends to another silent. So its job is to really media. This way, the two silents start talking to each other. The other small data which are not related to media like a silent cuts the call, any settings changes, messages are etc sent over the signaling process. The following question are raised in mind. Why WebRTC cannot do signaling? Answer. To avoid and maximize the capability with established technologies, the signaling method and protocols are not specified by the WebRTC standards. WEB is optimized for media. So this way the voice and video calls works. Very soon I will upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay cool. Goodbye. Please subscribe this channel to never miss an update.